Once again, welcome children. Today I will explain what is a fraction and how to write fraction. Let's start. So look here children, what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole, and when we divide a whole into equal parts, each parts represent a fraction. Now look here children, this one is a circle and here this circle is divided into 4 equal parts, and out of 4 equal parts 3 parts are shaded. Okay, you can see here 3 parts are shaded with yellow color. Now you have to write fraction for shaded part. So the fraction for shaded part will be 3 by 4, and this top number is your numerator. After that you have to put a line, and this bottom number is denominator. Okay, and how you will write this fraction? 3 by 4, or you can also say 3 out of 4. You can also say 3/4, 3 divided by 4, or 3 over 4. In this way you have to read the fraction. Moving to the next page. So look here children, here fraction for shaded parts. So here we are going to write fraction for shaded parts. So what is the formula for writing fraction? Number of shaded part over total number of parts. This is the formula for writing fraction for shaded parts. So children, look here, this is a circle, and this circle is divided into 2 equal parts. You can see here one part is this and second part is this. So you can see here what is written, total number of parts. So denominator, total number of parts. How many parts this circle have? 2. So I have written 2 at the denominator side, means here I have written 2. Now number of shaded parts. So how many shaded part this circle has? You can see this circle has only one shaded part. So I have written 1 at the numerator side. So 1 by 2 is the fraction for this circle for shaded part. Okay, moving to the next circle. Look here children, now we have to write fraction for this circle. Okay, now children, how many parts? Equal parts. You have to note that this circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, so you all know total number of parts is your denominator, so I have written 4 over here. Next, number of shaded parts. So here you can see yellow color part is this. So only one shaded part this circle has, so I have written 1 at the top, means 1 is our numerator. So 1 by 4 is the fraction for this circle. Okay, for shaded part. Moving to the next circle. Look here children, so here this circle is divided into 3 equal parts. You can see here the 3 equal parts. This circle is divided into 3 equal parts, and number of shaded parts. So here you can see only one shaded part, this one. So 1 by 3 is the fraction for this circle. Now look here children, fourth circle here. So in this circle we have 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you have to now find number of shaded parts. So you can see here number of shaded parts. One part is this, second part is this, and third part is this. So your answer will be 3 by 4. Okay, number of shaded parts 3 and total number of parts 4. So here your answer is 3 by 4. Moving to the next page. So here we have to write fraction for unshaded part. Look here children, look here what is written, fraction for unshaded part. Children, please note that whenever such type of questions come in your Olympiad or competitive exam, you must have to note whether you have to write fraction for shaded part or for unshaded part. क्योंकि हमने देखा है आप लोग जब आंसर्स लिखते हो तो आप इसी में मिस्टेक करते हो कि आपको शेडेड के लिए लिखना है कि अनशेडेड के लिए लिखना है. Okay, so here we have to write fraction for unshaded parts. So look here, this one is our first circle. Here I am going to write fraction for unshaded part. So you can see here this circle is divided into 2 equal part. आप देख सकते हो कि कितने parts में divide है ये circle, 2 equal parts में, और हमें unshaded part के लिए लिखना है fraction, so this one is the unshaded part, means one unshaded part, so 1 by 2 will be the answer. Okay, now move to the this circle. Now here children, again it is divided, this circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Here you can see this circle, earlier it was divided in 2 equal parts, here it is divided in 4 equal parts, and here you have to write fraction for unshaded part. So this one is unshaded part, means जहाँ पे yellow color नहीं है. So 1, 2 and this one 3, so 3 by 4 will be your fraction. Same like that you have to do this one also and this one also. Okay, moving to the next page. So here we have one example. Here all fruits make a fruit bowl. Now here you have to write fraction for apples. So you can see here total number of fruits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. So first you have to write fraction for apples. So 2 apples are here, so 2 by 6. And now here I have written 2 by 6 for banana, and after that you can see here we have 2 oranges, so here fraction for oranges will be 2 by 6. Okay, moving to the next page. Now this is a fraction wall. Here this one, this first one strip you can see, this is one whole, and it is divided in 2 equal parts. You can see half here and half here, 2 halves make a whole. So here you can see this one is same strip is divided into 3 equal parts, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So go through this. Moving to the next page. Now it's your turn. Write the fraction for shaded parts. Very simple children. Note that here you have to write the fraction for shaded parts. You have to do this question yourself. So let's move to the next page. Let's see the answer. So look here children, what's the answer? So here you can see write the fraction for shaded parts. So this circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Always remember that while writing the fraction your diagram should be divided into equal parts. Okay, so here your fraction will be 1 by 4, and here your fraction will be, because it is divided, this circle is divided into 8 equal parts and 3 shaded parts, so 3 by 8 will be the fraction. Moving to the next page. Now what fractions is represented by the shaded parts in each of the diagrams? So here you can see how many shaded parts, 1, 2, 3, and total number of parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here your fraction will be 3 by 8. Moving to the next question. Here total number of shaded parts 5 and total parts 8. So here your fraction will be 5 by 8. Now look here children, your question is the fraction given below is correct for shaded part? In this diagram, fraction for shaded part is 1 by 2. So you have to check whether this fraction 1 by 2 is correct for this triangle or not. Okay, now children, here you are all of you are thinking that ma'am, this is correct, the fraction is correct, it should be half. Okay, but here this answer is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because here you can see this shaded part, this one is your shaded part and this one is your unshaded part. So in the starting I have told you that the object or the picture should be divided into equal parts. Okay, so here you can see this is if this triangle will be in this way, and look here I am making one triangle, and this from here if it would be divided, then you can say yes, the fraction for shaded part is half. Okay, or if this triangle is divided in 2 parts in this way, look here, in this way. Okay, so here again you can see yes ma'am, this is half. Okay, but in this case it is not half because it is not divided into equal parts. So this answer is wrong. Here our answer is wrong. Okay, with this we come to an end, and I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice